Here's this troublesome G sharp key. It better work.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Wow! All in one go, Ames.
Okay, go on.
Amy, look who's not very happy that she wasn't included.
Welcome to today's vlog. Today's a very special day. It's my birthday. Thank you for all the messages via Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. It's been so great. Had a lovely day with the family. We went along to our old base in Hemmingford Grey. The local there is pub of the year for I think 7 or 8 years on the bounce. Absolutely fantastic food. Lovely Sunday lunch. The duck parcel is just absolutely tremendous food. But I'm still practicing on my birthday because, as you know and as you've seen, I've got this big classical recital coming up in 91 days, and I am rapidly trying to go through the programme. I'm trying to think if I can get away with just playing the second movement of the Villa-Lobos Fantasia, because incidentally, if you're actually interested in that, Branford was talking to me a couple of years ago about this and how it was actually originally composed a tone higher than what we play it in. Basically, whoever... I can't remember, somebody will know on YouTube who gave the premiere of this. They transposed it down a tone, down a whole step, and then so everything is knowing what's become kind of known by people playing it down a step, whereas originally it was played up as, I know Bran is now going around playing it up a step in the original key that Villa-Lobos intended. But I guess you've all tuned in, and what you really want to know, as promised, it's the Key Leaves giveaway, so let's draw that right now. And the winners of the Key Leaves, are you ready? The winners are Michael Martin in Vietnam and Thomas Cooper. Thomas, I hope you've pronounced your name correctly, in, well, Rossellini in Italy. So, well done, the winners. Two very, very different places. These are on the way to you, I guess. Certainly Vietnam, you're going to need that for the humidity. It's going to certainly help with your saxophone. And Thomas in Italy, I will get those over to you. I will contact you tomorrow or today, whenever you're watching this, to get your details, and I'll get those sent over to you. So well done, and thank you to all of you who entered. I could definitely recommend the Key Leaves. It's certainly made a difference. 1 second. Admittedly, I haven't had them on my tan in the last couple of days because I've just left them in the case, but here's this troublesome G sharp key. It better work. There you go. So even, you know, kind of having not put them on the instrument for the last 24 hours, just simply because time has forgot to get them out of the case, it's still kept that G sharp key that clean and that open. So I will be putting them straight back on after today's video, after today's vlog. So there you go. I'm going to finish today's vlog because it is my birthday and I want to spend more time with my family, and we've got to get ready for the week ahead. But needless to say, thank you all very, very much again for all those birthday wishes. Well done, Michael. Well done, Thomas, for your winning. Thank you all of you for entering. More giveaways coming up. More, I promise. I keep asking. Somebody said, yeah, we ought to get Yannick Asawa to give away a saxophone sometime. I doubt it. But maybe, maybe I'm going to Selma. No, let's not go there. Thank you very much for watching. I need to get back to my birthday. Thank you so much. Check out my last vlog here. Here's one from, I don't know when. And don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.